Hello, pilot. Welcome to Hisense. This video is divided into 6 stages to teach you how to practice flying at home. With consistent effort, you can excel in the Grand Prix. Please note that this tutorial also applies to other products in the Hisense series. Stage 1. Single point takeoff and landing. Stage 2. Underpass maneuver. Stage 3. Dual point takeoff and landing. Stage 4. Dual point figure 8 maneuver. Stage 5. Tri-point figure 8 maneuver. Stage 6. Vertical figure 8 maneuver. Let's start your journey to becoming a master pilot.